What's up, YouTube enthusiasts? Do you have a 20-year-old Honda that you love wasting money on? If so, for around $20, you can also rebuild your ancient injectors, and I'm sure your car would greatly appreciate it. These things do not look good. That thing didn't want to even come out either. Let me try to get this to focus, but look at that screen. Like, completely brown. It just looks like brown paper at this point, and it's all falling apart. This is the new one that's going in. This camera needs to focus. But, yep. I have never rebuilt fuel injectors before, but I'm actually glad that I'm doing this, because this is like brittle, just brittle everything. I wish you guys could see look at that, dude. Like, I touched it and it's falling apart. That's the screen that's filtering the fuel right there. It's turning into powder right now. Bro, it's gone. That's crazy. Dude. Damn, that's crazy. So the screen that's filtering the fuel just fell apart like powder right now when I touched it. That's nuts. Alright, so this little filter that goes on the top has like a little copper ring. Oops. Has a copper ring right below that top plastic piece, and it's just slightly like wider than the area you're pushing it in at the top, so you gotta like really press it in there. And I just use the bottom of my screwdriver because, you know, well, at least this screwdriver, it's just plastic rubber bottom, so I don't want to break the plastic top. But you got to really press it in because, you know, like I said, it's a little wider, and I'm assuming that's just what holds this in place there so it doesn't slide in and out. But yep, this is how it's looking so far. So this is a rebuilt one. Has that new tip on it with the new gasket right there. New O-ring, I should say. New O-ring at the top, and new filters at the very top of it. Alright, let's pull these other ones apart and see how the filters look on them. I imagine they look the same. Okay, got it out. Let's see if I can smash it and dissolve it. This one's holding together better, but it definitely just falls apart the more I rub it. So yeah, I'm definitely happy on putting these filters in here. Very happy on doing it. Alright, this is how the injectors are looking now. Those are a freaking graveyard of brittle plastic parts, filters that are falling apart, old O-rings. O-rings actually aren't bad. They usually when these are, you know, they're bad, you know, you'll see the edges all flattened out and they feel like, you know, they're turning into plastic, but still feel like rubber. You know, the edges of them aren't bad, they're still rounded off, but everything else is just, you know, just straight garbage at this point. These are the tips of the injectors, and I'm pretty sure I could probably break that in half. I'm so strong. Yep, but these are the new injectors, or well, not new, but rebuilt. Look pretty good. It's probably, like, to me, that's the most important thing to have in there is these new filters, because, you know, the tips were still holding together, obviously, even though they're brittle, but whatever, you know, they need to be replaced. But yep, let's get these things back in the car.